Dag 3 van Pukkelpop, dat is de dag van Queens of the Stone Age. Maar ook de dag van Brody Dalle, dat is de vrouw van zanger Josh Homme van Queens of the Stone Age. En ze zit hier vandaag bij ons. Hello Brody.
Hello.
This is the second time at Pukkelpop. You stood here before with the Distillers in 2004. Are you glad to be back?
Yeah, it's funny. I couldn't remember what it looked like, and then I got here, and I was like, oh yeah, it's boardwalks. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I remember. I love this festival. It's really good. It's a really great one.
If you compare it to the ones in America, is it bigger, better, the same?
I don't know. I think the Europeans have definitely got it over on the Americans. They're getting better. I mean, Coachella's really nice, but I think, you guys kind of win.
Your album Diploid Love came out in the spring. Yeah, it's kind of really different. Now you're doing it alone. Well, not really alone, but was it easier to do this by yourself?
Yeah. I was, I don't know, it was different. It was fun. It was kind of the only choice I had, That's why it kind of became a solo record, because I have 2 kids, so I don't have very much time. So just to go in and do everything myself is easier. Plus I get to play the drums and bass, and that's where it's at.
Is it more scary to be here on your own? Well, not, you have a band obviously, but more scary because it's your name?
No, I don't, The Exorcist is scary, but putting my own record out is not really scary,
Now, I heard your kids on it too. How was it to record with them?
We had a big gap in that song, and Alan Johannes, who produced it with me, we were like, what do we do in here? And I had just filmed my kids in the bath, so we took them laughing and put it in there, and it fit perfectly, so it was kind of meant to be.
So it wasn't a really studio recording thing or something?
No. It was just an iPhone, like crappy iPhone recording.
You brought them. How are they experiencing all this?
They love it. They love being on tour. Yeah, they just ride their scooters around and eat lots of dessert and stay up until 3 a.m. I mean, it's pretty good.
Now the album came out in the spring. Do you have any idea how it's doing in Belgium?
I have no idea. I don't pay attention to stuff like that anymore.
Okay, so everybody has to buy it after this evening. I wish you a nice concert here at Pukkelpop. Are you going to see anybody else?
St. Vincent and Portishead. I can't wait to see Portishead. I'm really excited.
Okay, have a nice evening.
Thank you, too.
Ain't no worries, I'm not baby.